Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll be previewing our game against Aduana Stars that will be taking place at the Accra Sports Stadium tomorrow. So if you're in Accra, you know what to do. Join us and motivate the team to beat the Aduana Stars tomorrow at the Accra Sports Stadium. So please, if you're in Accra, join us and support the team. So let's talk about the game. First of all, we'll talk about our opponents, Aduana Stars. They are currently 8th in the Ghana Premier League table with 13 points, which means that a win against us might move them above us in the Ghana Premier League table. The last 5 games we played against Aduana Stars, 3 ended in draw, 1 ended in for Kotoko win, that's Kotoko home win, 2-1, and the last game we played was at Aduana. It ended a 1-0 victory for Aduana Stars. Most of you remember that controversial game at the Aduana home stadium. So it was a very controversial game. So let's move forward. The striker Yahya Mohammed is going to be a very big problem for us. He's scored 5 goals so far this season. I think Kwame Puku has scored 6, which means Kwame Puku and Aduana and Yahya Mohammed will be struggling to get goals in this particular fixture. Kwame Puku 6, Yahya Mohammed 5. If he scores 1, he will top Kwame Puku the top scorers chart. So it's going to be a very strong game. He will try to score us and we will be trying to score them. Team news for Asante Kotoko, I think there won't be much changes from the team that won against Ebusu Adwabs at the Cape Coast Stadium. We already know that William Okumensa has left the club. Sule Muniru, his contract has been terminated, he has left the club. So those two people won't be featuring in the game tomorrow. I'm expecting Osman Ibrahim to come back to the squad, but I'm not sure he's fully fit to feature in the game. Mudasiro is fit and I don't know if he will start or if he will continue from the bench. Habib Mohammed played in the midfield against Ebusu Adwabs, so I think he's going to continue there unless Johnson Smith decides to change his style again. Abdul Ganiyu and Yusuf Mubarak will continue to pair in the centre back the way I'm saying it. And Christopher Natia, I know he will be involved. He had a very good game. Of course, he got the goal against Ebusu Adwabs, so I'm expecting him to play that game. Razaka Balora, of course, he will keep his place in the goalpost. Then up front, Jamfi will start, and then if Osman Ibrahim comes back, he's definitely going to start with Kwame Puku up front. But if not, I think Patrick Asma will continue at the wings with Emmanuel Jamfi. Then midfield, I don't know if KK is fit to play tomorrow, but I think Latif Anabila, Samuel Frimpong will be in the squad. Yes, I think he'll be in the squad to play against Aduana Stars. So hopefully we beat Aduana Stars and move up in the Ghana Premier League table, because a win for us might move us to the top of the table, and that is what every Kotoko fan will be looking to see, because we deserve to be at the top of the table after this very good performances we have been putting out. A lot of people have been saying Johnson Smith should be made the permanent coach because of the way we have been playing so far. I agree with them, but I think we should wait a little bit to see how the next 3 or 4 fixtures go before we make him a permanent coach. But I think we are going to beat Aduana Stars tomorrow if we play with the same attitude we've been playing for the past few games. I'm hoping we beat them because we really need to beat them after the last game that we lost in their home 1-0. That 1-0 10 minutes ago was very painful. I admit I was feeling down that day. I was devastated by that result, but I'm thinking, or I'm wishing that we beat them at the Accra Sports Stadium tomorrow. If you are in Accra, once again, please join us, support the team and motivate them to beat Aduana Stars. I want Kotoko to beat Aduana Stars. That is why I'm telling you guys to come out and support the boys. So I think that's all for now. Before I go, let me give my prediction. I think Kotoko will beat Aduana Stars 2-1 at the Accra Sports Stadium. That is my prediction. Kotoko beat Aduana Stars 2-1 at the Accra Sports Stadium. So I would like to know your prediction. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think and how the game is going to pan out. I would like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Till next time, guys, goodbye.